Hi guys, we are here at downtown Disney today. We're going to be pin trading, so come along with us. So we're here at Pin Traders, and something that's new is they're starting to sell strollers out here, which is pretty interesting.
These are all the pins on the what's new section.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please. It's cute. I like that one.
So for each ticket, they need
Did you have anything in your account? We don't want it to show up blue, that means
So the beignets expressed here, over here at the Jazz Kitchen is finally open. They got a pretty big line, it looks like, but it is now finally open.
Well, I'll do box 11.
11? Awesome.
And box 22.
22. So for 11, we're gonna have this little buddy right here.
Okay.
And then we said 22, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. And 22, we're gonna have this one.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you. I think I'm good.
You good?
Yeah.
Awesome. What about you,
Thank
friend?
Can I do number 13?
Number 13, yes. There you go. Number 13 will be this little buddy, our Mickey Mouse.
Sounds good. And then can I do number 7?
Yes, definitely. And 7 will be Stitch.
Oh, that's
Okay,
cool.
the
I'll
Halloween
trade for that
set.
one. That's
Yeah,
cool
you
looking.
Alright, cool beans.
Do the Little Mermaid too.
Awesome.
The home store had a mystery pin board box and not the normal pin board that they usually have here. So when we come back next month to film it, we'll see if it's back to the OG board.
If you come in here to Acorn's Gifts and Goods here at the Grand Californian, they have a whole big wall of pins here. Anything you want?
Okay. Anything you want?
So you're only gonna have, what are you gonna even be carrying? Your backpack?
Let's try it out. Look.
Yeah, he's cute. So we're here at Walt Disney, and they got rid of the giant pin board. They just have this little one now.
Very sad.
Yeah. But I see a pin I think I'm gonna trade for it, so not too bad.
Shoes? There's no shoes on this board.
So you're gonna trade those?
Yeah.
What are you gonna get?
The Wally, I mean the EU. Good?
So now we're gonna go inside the Pixar Hotel and see what kind of pin boards they have in here. So as we were walking by, we found another pin board, and it's hidden up over here by registration over here at the Pixar Hotel. So now we're gonna go inside the Disneyland Hotel and pin trade in here. So we're gonna gift shop here inside of the Fantasy Tower. So this is the pin board here inside of the Disneyland Hotel over here at registration. And Emily saw what she is for sure getting right away.
Oh, it's not. This is not an official Disney one, but it's cute anyway.
Oh yeah, I like that one.
So we got a little crest, a Jack Skellington, and then the Mickey car is not a Disney pin. But it's cute anyway, but it's kind of plasticky, so
Yeah, interesting.
we'll see. That's cute.
As we're walking over, I didn't know they had a big Disney 100 Years of Wonder display here where the Disneyland map used to be. So it's pretty cool, and you can also get your photo taken with Walt. So pretty neat. So now we're gonna go inside the Fantasia shop to do some more pin trading.
Ready? Bye bye.
That's pretty. I have that one already.
That is pretty. I like the Sandman one. The Sand People, it's pretty cool.
And then here at the parking, they have the pin cone.
So we're going to trade the Cheshire Cat for this Imperial Officer. So we're going to trade for the Chernabog tie one. Does it count though if it's 2 Chernabogs?
Yeah, because that one's the colored one.
Okay. So what did you get?
Alessandra dress.
That's pretty.
Get it? Hey. Okay.
So which one did you get?
The Minnie Mouse ice cream.
Imperial Officer. That was the one dress. Alright guys, so that's going to conclude our day here at Downtown Disney going pin trading. We did find a lot more pins that we traded in this video compared to our last Disney pin trading video, which you haven't seen. Please go and check that one out. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know if there's any pins that we traded for today that you want to trade for. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Bye.